Hello guys, we will learn today shapes names with colors. Triangle, pentagon, star, trapezoid, heart, square, black color. Triangle, pentagon, star, trapezoid, heart. With colors, let's learn two colors name. Sky blue color, blue color, pink color, parrot color, sea green color or light green color, pink color. Triangle, sea green color, pentagon, light green color, star, blue color, trapezoid, sky blue color, heart, pink color, square, triangle, pentagon, star, trapezoid, heart, square. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget like or subscribe our channel.